Hey there. Today, I'll show you how to copy a folder on SharePoint step by step. I'll be showing you this on SharePoint Online with the modern experience. First, open your SharePoint site and navigate to the document library that contains the folder you want to copy. You'll see the folder list view showing all your folders and files in the library. Next, click on the folder you want to copy to select it. You can click either the checkbox next to the folder or anywhere on the folder row. Once selected, the folder will appear highlighted and the command bar at the top becomes active with available actions. Now, click the Copy To button on the command bar along the top of the page. A destination selection pane will open on the right side of your screen. If you don't see Copy To on the command bar, select the ellipsis icon, the three dots, and you'll find it there. In the Choose a Destination pane that just opened on the right, select the location where you want to copy your folder. Sites will appear under the Quick Access section. You'll see your current library, your OneDrive, and other sites depending on where you are. If the site you need isn't listed, select More Places at the bottom of the site list on the left. You can browse through folders within the selected site or library to pick a specific subfolder as your destination. If you want to copy the folder into a new folder that doesn't exist yet, select New Folder in the top right corner of the destination pane. A text input field will appear where you can enter the name of your new folder. Select the check mark after entering the folder name, then click on that newly created folder to select it as your destination. Once you've selected your destination location, click Copy here at the bottom of the destination pane. The folder with all its files and subfolders will be copied to the selected destination. You might see a progress indicator during the copy. A couple of things to keep in mind. If you copy the folder to the same library where it already exists, SharePoint automatically adds the number 1 as a suffix to the copied folder name to avoid duplicates. Also, when you copy documents that have version history, only the latest version gets copied earlier, versions stay behind. And there's a 500 megabytes limit for copying operations. So if your folder is larger than that, you'll need to break it into smaller chunks. And there we go, copying a folder on SharePoint done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.